Hey, in this video I'm going to walk you through some of the marketing functionality that we have for BlackBerry phones. Again, these are suitable for all versions of BlackBerry, basically platform independent for BlackBerry. Now, the application installs as any other application or from the BlackBerry app world. The inside OnTheGo application is available on the app world by the name of OnTheGo, and this can be directly downloaded from there. Now when you open the application, you will see that there are different icons for different modules that we have. Let me just give you a quick walkthrough of all the different modules that we have. Accounts, our business partners, contacts, tasks or activities without business partners, activities with business partners, activities or interactions. Then we have leads. We have order status to give you the status of all your sales orders from the ECC side or your CRM side. Stock overview, this is related to your ECC functionality. Analytics, some based on your BEX queries or your BobJ dashboards. Service tickets, on the service side, one of the functionalities. Time and expense. Opportunities. Workflows, both ECC and CRM workflows, and finally service orders. So now let me walk you through the marketing piece of the application. So if you click on the leads option, the leads icon that you see here, that will open up a screen where you can see all your different leads. These leads can be created from activities as follow-up transactions, and you can create opportunities as follow-up transactions to leads from that. So right now we don't have any leads on the BlackBerry. So if you hit the menu button, you see an option for new lead. When you select that, a new lead screen will open up where you can enter your details for the lead, right? So let's say we selected the sales prospect, then we select the contact person for that sales prospect. You can select your different statuses, your start dates, your end dates. You can also select your survey questionnaires as we have on the CRM side. So before I do this, let me go into CRM and walk you through an end-to-end scenario where I create a campaign and the employee responsible is the user of the BlackBerry device, and campaigns, the leads created from that campaign are being rolled out to the mobile device. So let's give a description for the campaign. Let's quickly select the campaign type. Let's say it was customer acquisition. The objective was to target new customers. Let me enter an event date. Now I will add a target group to this campaign. Let me select the first one that we have. Now you can see the target group size is 8. So ideally we should have 8 leads created from this campaign when it is rolled out. Let me save the campaign and go ahead and change the communication medium as well as release the campaign. And let's save it and start the campaign. Now the campaign has been started, has been executed. So let's see if we have 8 leads created for this campaign. So let's pick up the description and go into the leads. Let's give the description here. Now we can see that 8 leads were created from this campaign since there were 8 customers in your target group. Now since the employee responsible is the user on the BlackBerry device, all these 8 leads should be displayed on your BlackBerry phone. So a way to do that is either press sync from your menu option, or the device can automatically check for updates on the SAP side every 10 minutes or 5 minutes. That can be configured according to the customer's needs. So since I don't want to wait that long, I'll manually go in and say sync. That will bring in all the new leads that have been created. So we can see that there's a star sign on top of the leads icon. So when you open that, all these leads have been pushed over to the BlackBerry device. So let's open a lead. Platinum Customers campaign. The sales prospect was picked up from the target group. Let's try to edit this lead and show you on the SAP side that the details have been saved. So let me select the status is in process. The group was a trade fair lead. Priority was very high. The origin was a campaign. And let me select the survey questionnaires that we have for the leads, which will determine your automatic qualification level. So the lead ID that we're looking at is 1059. So now let's go into SAP and look at the lead that it was actually edited. So let me select 1059. So there you go. Now the status is in process, the priority is very high, the origin was a campaign, and the group was a trade fair lead. You can also see that the qualification level, the automatic qualification has been set to hard based on the answers that are selected for the survey questionnaires. So now let me do this. Let me go into the lead and try to create a follow-up opportunity from it to show you an end-to-end scenario wherein we create a campaign, we roll out the campaign to create leads, and then we create opportunities and process the leads further to create opportunities. So I select follow-up opportunity from the menu option, then just enter some description for the opportunity. The sales prospect and contact person are defaulted from your lead carried forward. You can select your sales cycle, you can select your different statuses, your start date, your closing date, and you can also select your questionnaires, the answer to your questionnaires similar to leads, and these can be configured in your service suite and can be configured on the BlackBerry device also. So again, just hit the menu button and save. So we see that 1500 is the opportunity ID that just got created. So let's go into the opportunity and look for it. 1500. There you go. Now this was the opportunity that we just created. You can see the description, your prospect address, your main contacts, your employee responsible, who is the user of the BlackBerry device. And when you go into your transaction history, you will see that this opportunity was created from a lead as a follow-up transaction. So just like all the steps that you carry out on the SAP side to create follow-up transactions, the similar ones will be carried out on the mobile device. And we go into the lead and we can see on the lead 1059 that this lead was created from a marketing campaign. So from a campaign we created leads, and then from a lead we created a follow-up opportunity. So this is just to show you an end-to-end scenario on the marketing side. So now let's go into the opportunities module and look that the opportunity was actually created. You can see opportunity ID 1500, all the details. You can edit the opportunity if you want from here.